What's up guys, it's Kanden. I'm going to be reviewing the OtterBox FRE case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max in this video. It does come with a microfiber cloth and it uses this little blue rubber gasket to waterproof the phone. And it has a spot for a lanyard, which is really nice as well. To put your phone into the case, you just drop it in, put the top on, and squeeze it all the way around until there are no gaps. And the charging port does have the little blue gasket as well. Overall, the build quality is really nice. It does feel premium, which is kind of expected when you're spending this much on a case. And here's where you would use a coin to pop it open when you want to get your phone back out. And it does have a warning about not using a screen protector. Unfortunately, mine already cracked, so I had it off anyways, so I won't really be able to test them on that, but allegedly it does affect the waterproofing. The buttons also do feel really stiff. They work, but I would never use this as my primary case. I will only be using this for waterproofing. And mostly I got this to avoid buying a DJI Action 6, which was tempting, but I mean, the price difference, you can get an $80 premium case, and iPhone has really good video anyways, so I thought I'd test it out. And what better place to test it out than a water park? So I brought the family to Volcano Bay, and it did a really great job. Got some cinematic footage. I got some videos of the kids swimming underwater. Got some footage of my wife swimming. My God. Being able to record the memories on the water slide with the family is one of the best parts. It does get some water droplets, but they tend to fall off and it's not really that big of a deal. I would imagine it would do the same thing with an action camera. Also, if you've never been to Volcano Bay in Orlando, Florida, I highly recommend it. It's probably the best water park in the world. Now, there was one time when I was having a lot of trouble getting my phone unlocked because my fingers were wet, so I did decide to do a screen record so I could kind of show it to you, but it wasn't very common that I would have this issue. Just this one time, it's pretty bad. I really do love being able to use the iPhone. Here I put it at 60 frames per second just to give it more of a realistic look.
Right?
No.
It's time for bath mode. Woo! Woo!
All in all, if I had any complaint, it would probably be that swiping up or pressing the record button every once in a blue moon can be kind of tricky, but it's not really much of an issue. And the picture and video quality just turned out so good. I'm probably going to stick with this over an action camera. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. You know I'm going to keep buying stuff and posting about it. So if you want to support my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.